As one of the largest production bases for antibiotic active pharmaceutical ingredients (APIs) in China, large outdoor temperature differences, strong wind and sand, and complex road conditions make manual operations prone to fake collisions. Customized 1.5-ton heavy-duty AGVs designed to withstand extreme environments from -30 degree to 40 degree with IP65 protection, compliant with pharmaceutical explosion-proof and cleanroom requirements, and compatible with multiple carriers for flexible material handling. Intelligent logistics empowers smart pharmaceutical manufacturing, enhancing safety and compliance while reducing costs and improving efficiency.